continue. The potassium, K. Let's see here. Here is the potassium. It has 19. Now, there are some information hard for you. You can't understand them now. They talk about the energy level and levels and the distribution of the electrons, and why in some elements the third energy level can have up to 18, in some it can have only 8. These information, these facts, you will not take them now. You will take them after grade 9. So now just we will understand how they are distributing in some elements that we can distribute for them. But for example, for potassium, you will learn later why it can't fill the third energy level with all the rest. Like here, let's say here is the nucleus, the first. As what we said, this fact you can memorize it from now. The first level, only 2. The second level, for sure it can't have more than 8. Finished. The third level, it can have up to 18, but not in the potassium, and you can't understand it now. Also, it can have up to 8. Then there is one left, which is the valence electron. So what we have to understand for us now, that the valence electrons are the electrons that exist in the outermost energy level, and every group should have the same number of the valence electrons. Like it's 1 for group 1, 2 for group 2. Then we will go to group 13, 3 in group 13, 4 in group 14, 5 in group 15, 6 in group 16, 7 in group 17, 8 in group 18. You will ask me about these groups. Leave these groups for later. We will not talk about the distribution in these. They have complicated distribution, which is not for you. So for us, we will memorize that the valence electrons, they have the same number of the group, from group 1 to then the ones from 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Yani if I asked you, what is the number of valence electrons for oxygen? Directly you will tell me it's 6. Why 6? Because oxygen exists in the group 16. What is the ones in 16? 6. So it has 6 valence electrons. That's it. This is everything for us. We don't want to talk about these elements from group 3 to group 12. They have something different. You will understand it later, inshallah. So start now understanding the basics that you need to understand. Okay? Thank you. This is everything for today. See you inshallah بخير بإذن الله.